Guys, we went to the sugar factory. Now we are bug hunting at a random park up in Indianapolis. Look, guys, a little fucking chipmunk. My God, Steve Irwin ain't got shit on me. Guys, this is a really cute park. There's a lot of rules here. You can't leave the trailer or anything. Looks really squatchy over here. I bet all the squatches come out after dark when they kick out the real people like me. One of the main rules of this nature reserve, you're not supposed to get off the path, but there is a bag up here that I'm going to investigate. Look at that bag. I'm gonna make sure there's no body parts in it, because you never know these days. No body parts, it's empty. What the hell is that? It's a gourd, guys. Is it just hot in here? Or is it me?
You wanna go up here while these walk?
Goddamn Widowmaker. I can't get over the cuteness of this park, guys. It's so cute. Snails, millipedes. I was walking on the trail and found a goddamn Kebler elf cookie making, cracker making machine home factory right here. Swear to God, definitely elves in there. Guys, the journey's over here. It was somewhat productive, but it was a lot better than that goddamn sugar factory.